Today we will be unboxing a Remington 308 SPS Tactical. These have been around for a while and we'll be having a closer look at it today. Let's just have a look at the box. Let's open the box and see what we got. Okay, we've got the owner's manual. We've got the actual rifle here. There's a safety lock so you can secure your rifle a little bit better. There's the actual rifle bolt. And here's the rifle. Let's have a closer look. Okay, here's a look at the rifle out of the box and all the accessories that come with it. This is the Remington SPS 700 Tactical. It's got a 20-inch barrel. It has a 4-round capacity and it is chambered for 308. It is a military grade rifle. This rifle is actually used by the military and also various police forces around the world as a tactical sniper rifle. It has a 20-inch barrel and a 10-in-1 twist. It's got a fully adjustable Remington X Mark Pro trigger, which some people say they've had problems with, but overall I believe they are a great trigger. And it's got a rubber style overmold stock. Then again, I've seen people complain about the stock. I've had one of these rifles previously and I quite like the stock. It's never given me any problems and it does what it's supposed to be doing perfectly. Now these rifles retail for $788 US over in the United States of America. Unfortunately in Australia these retail for just under $1,500. So it's not a cheap rifle, but it's not an overly expensive rifle either. Let's get all the stickers and little tags off it and have a better look at it. And here we are, the rifle's out of the box, the bolt's been fitted, which comes out easily. The action of the bolt is absolutely beautiful. You can tell the difference between a rifle that costs a little bit more money when you're handling it. This is great. Now your safety is just here. It's very easy to operate. That's on safe and that's on fire. And to put your rifle back on safe, simply pull it back and you can pull the trigger, nothing happens, and you can then safely unload the rifle. It has a free floating barrel and I'll check that in a second. I have not checked the free floating of the barrel yet. This rifle does not have a box magazine. You load your rounds in from the top and you fit 4 rounds into the magazine and you can have 1 in the chamber. So I believe you can actually fit 5 rounds into the rifle. However, that would mean you've got 4 in the magazine and 1 in the chamber. So if you put 5 rounds in there, even though you've got your rifle on safe, you've always got 1 in the chamber, which some people don't like. while others prefer to carry 1 round in the chamber, so all you need to do is take the safety off and fire. Now the rifle does not come with any scope mounts or scope rings. It has a drilled and tapped receiver, and you need to buy your own mounting system to mount on top of the rifle. Now the mounting system I'll be using on this rifle we'll be discussing and looking at in another video. And we already know the optics I'm putting on it because I released a video on that last week. I'll put a link down in the description box of that. So let's check the free floating of the barrel. Let's see if the barrel actually is free floating. Yep, seems to be pretty good. Now overall I'm very happy with this rifle, and there'll be more videos coming up. We will be covering the optics that we will be using and the mounting system for the optics. So if you've got any questions, please leave a comment down below. I'll respond to all comments. If there's anything else you want me to cover with this rifle, please also comment. In the meantime, if you have found this video interesting, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.